Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are all absolutely fine and be safe at home. Welcome back to your social class. Children, we have seen so far 8 lessons, isn't it? These lessons are related to what? About nature. But in today's video, we are going to see a new lesson. It's a new lesson, it's about a man-made. Okay, I give some clues. You have to find out the topic. Okay, how do you go from one place to another? Suppose you want to go to market, or you want to go to mall, or you want to visit your grandparents' house. They may be in some other towns. Suppose you want to visit your relatives' house. They may be in some other countries also. How do you reach them? How do you go? Yes, you have to use what? Transport. Okay, so in today's topic, we are going to see a new lesson, chapter number 9. So children, can you guess what would be the topic? See, with the help of this picture, can you guess? Yes, so the topic that we are going to see is transport. So because of transport, even faraway places seems to be very closer. Dear children, you want to visit your grandparents' house. So they may be living in some other states like Kerala or Andhra Pradesh. But you are in Minjur. How do you reach them? Yes, with the help of means of transportations. So, with the help of transportations, we can reach them within a day or within a few hours also we can reach them. So, children, we can reach it without any problem also. So transport is very important a part of life in today. So, it brought the world very closer. So, transport makes our life very easier, very safer and more comfortable. Children, in today's lesson we are going to see about a transport. The story of the transport will begin with the invention of wheel. So, children, see, invention of wheel. The invention of wheel was probably one of the most useful invention in the early times. So, it is a very important invention in the early life. In early time, the early man saw a log rolling down the slopes, and then they got an idea that this wheel can be used in modes of transport or to travel in an easy way. So, when a early man saw a log means wood. So, it is rolling down the slope. Then they got an idea to make with the help of log rolling, we can use it for a transport or to travel in a very easy way. The invention of wheel was done by the early humans of India in Mohenjo-daro. So, the invention of wheel was where it is done. So, it is done in a Mohenjo-daro. Then, see, this is the early man, they use the logs to travel, to carry the goods to one place to another. Now, discovery of the wheel. So, before invention of wheel, early man has to walk on foot. So, before the invention of wheel, how they walk? They used to walk on foot. They would move to walking distant area only. So, they move a distance, that is a far away places also they can use their foot to walk. They generally use a tamed animals for riding to covering a longer distance with a very less goods. So, they generally use a tamed means what? Domestic animal like an elephant. Not a domestic animal means a cow, goat, but they use the elephant and horses and the mules. So, such animals they used to carry the goods from one place to another. And then they live in the small groups in the different places. Before invention of wheel, these small groups would remain in isolated isolated from other groups. So, from before the invention of the wheel, they lived in a very isolated. That means they lived in a small group in a lonely way. But after the invention only, later they started to carry their burden on their flat pieces of wood. That is, a burden means heavy goods. With the help of the wheel, they used to carry the heavy goods from one place to another. And then, with the thought of rounded shaped object can roll more easily on earth surface, thus it was the first time when the idea of the wheel came in existence. Early man got an idea to use a wide stem of the trees as a wheel. So, they used the stem of the trees, they used to make a wheel. This was the revolution in early man's life. Then, see, now they could easily make the wheels with the holes inside for joining the two. Later they made cart that they could be carried by the bullock. Thus the invention of wheel had changed the early man's life entirely. See how they use their cart. So with the help of the log, they make a cart. So this is the way the early man make a cart. See, from the ancient to modern. See, this is the ancient people, ancient man. That is the early man used to carry the goods. This type of wheel. From the slowly, gradually, they come to the modern. Okay, children? Dear children, I hope you understood the invention of wheel. In next video, we are going to see rest of the topics. Thank you.